Hey, what's up everybody? Dan Henry here, and I want to announce a YouTube contest that we're doing. So I have a video coming out soon. It's going to come out sometime in the next week, and it's going to be a really cool video. We have actually hacked Dean Graziosi's funnel, okay? If you're not familiar with Dean Graziosi, he is a 8-figure online entrepreneur. He's been around for a long time. He has this book called Millionaire Success Habits, and what this is, it's a free plus shipping funnel, okay? And from what I understand, he sells 5,000 of these books a day, and he built an 8-figure business off of this free plus shipping deal, okay? And so what we did was I went and I signed up for his funnel. I bought all the upsells. I went through the whole thing. I got the book, and I literally recorded an hour-long training that dissects, breaks down, and hacks his entire 8-figure funnel, literally page by page, all the copy, why he does what he does, like literally the whole thing. And I even have a second video that goes through the unboxing of the book and all the stuff in there and how he's upselling people into other programs and what he includes, and just a whole full breakdown of his complete 8-figure funnel. Now, this is a really cool video. I spent a lot of time on it, and it's going to come out within the next week. But what I'm going to do is I want to make sure this video does well. I want to make sure that people are subscribed to my YouTube channel, share it and comment and vote it and all that good stuff. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm doing a contest, right? And I'm giving away some prizes. Now, here's how you enter the contest. First, you want to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to getclients.com/subscribe. And that'll automatically, you go to that link and it'll make you subscribe to my YouTube channels. What's going to happen is sometime in the next week, this video is just going to magically appear on YouTube. I'm just going to publish it. And the only way for you to know if this video, I just got over bronchitis. The only way for you to know if this video is live is to subscribe and turn on notifications for my YouTube channel. So what's going to happen is when the video goes live and you get that notification, you see that it's live, the first 50 commenters, the first 50 people to comment are going to get a copy of a brand new ebook that I just wrote, and it's called 7 Things You Don't Need to Be a Millionaire. And what these are 7 core things that everybody, all the gurus tell you you need to buy, tell you need to do. And I didn't do any of these things to make my first million, okay? So I'm going to save you a buttload of time by allowing you to skip past these 7 things so that you really just like clear the runway and you're able to be successful a lot faster without messing around with things that really are just a distraction and a waste of time. So I'm going to give you this ebook for free to the first 50 comments on that video. So when you get that notification, I want you to comment on the video. Make it a real comment, like ask something about the video, whatever, but just go ahead and comment on the video the second you see the notification that it is live. And it'll be something like Dean Graziosi's funnel hacked or something like that. And when you see that video goes live, you want to be one of the first 50 commenters, and you will get that ebook. Well, my team will message you on YouTube and send you that ebook. Now, the first commenter, the person that comments first, the very, 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 very first person to make a comment, you are going to win a free 20-minute consultation with me. A free 20-minute phone consultation with me. You can talk to me about your business, about whatever's going on with your business or your Facebook ads or whatever it is you want to learn, and I will give you direct one-on-one coaching, 20-minute coaching call. Just so you know, I charge $1,500 an hour, and I book out every month for that. So it's definitely a valuable price. So it's a free 20-minute consult for the very first person to comment on that YouTube video. Also, the first 50 people will get a copy of the 7 Things You Don't Need to Become a Millionaire ebook. And if you're not one of the first 50 commenters, and you just happen to comment within the first day, we'll probably send you something special anyway. So once again, in order to enter, all you have to do is go to getclients.com/subscribe, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and then sometime in the next week, you'll get a notification that Dean Graziosi 8-figure funnel is hacked, and that video has been published to my YouTube channel. You go on, you leave a comment, and the first comment will get a free 20-minute consult with me, and the first 50 comments will get the 7 things you don't need to be a millionaire, and then the first people to comment within 24 hours will get something special as well. Okay, so once again, go ahead, go to getclients.com/subscribe and wait patiently for the Dean Graziosi 8-figure funnel hacked video to be released. Comment and win some stuff. All right, see you guys soon.